India's fifth largest IT company just posted 23% profit growth and the stock fell by 6% the next day. That gap between results and price reactions is exactly where the trade opportunity lies. Let's talk about LTM. LTM, formerly known as LTIMindtree, rebranded in March 2026, is part of the Larsen and Toubro Group. It is India's fifth largest IT services company with rupees 42,000 crore in annual revenue. They work with Fortune 500 companies, banks, automakers, retailers, healthcare giants, helping them digitally transform their businesses. Think cloud migration, AI automation, cyber security, data analytics. Revenue comes from North America, primarily 72% of their business, with BFSI and manufacturing as key verticals. Now, the 2026 full year numbers are genuinely strong. Revenue is up by 11.3%, and the adjusted profit is up by 16.9%. The order intake, the forward-looking indicator, is up by 10.3% to over 6.6 billion US dollars. The quarter four numbers just announced on April 23rd show revenue is up by 15.6%, and the year-on-year profit is up by 23%. So, why is the stock down 32% from its all-time high of around 6,700 rupees? Firstly, the quarter three profit headline showed a 10.6% fall, but this was entirely because of a one-time rupees 590 crore hit from the new labor code accounting. Investors sold on the headline without reading into the footnotes. Secondly, BFSI, the biggest segment at 37% of revenue, saw a top US client pull back on spending in quarter four, which caused a 5.5% sequential dip. And thirdly, there's a sector-wide fear that generative AI will reduce the manpower needed for traditional IT services, potentially cutting around 2 to 3% of revenue per year. The fear is real, but the market is overpricing it for a company that is actively pivoting to AI delivery. Now, coming to the charts, as you can see here, I've taken the support level to be around almost 4,000 rupees. This is indicated by the supply zone over here. This is also indicated by the high volumes as well within this region, indicating high bullish sentiments because the stock was being bought at this level. Then here is the resistance. I've taken it to be 6,278 level. This is indicated by the supply zone over here where there was a significant sell-off around this region. This you can also see this indicated by the high volume around this region as well. Now, how would you go into executing this trade? Firstly, I am quite bullish on the stock because the market sentiment is honestly over exaggerated, and the company is still the fifth biggest IT company in the Indian stock exchange. So it has a lot of growth potential as well, apart from the very good revenue and profit growth which I just spoke to you about. So I would like to enter into a buy order over here. I can do that by setting up a GTT order. Right click, page GTT, go to buy, and you can buy it at this price level, which is around 4,430 rupees. So let me create the GTT, and in a similar fashion, I can also create the stop loss and the target price as well. Now, how do you do that? Simple. Create GTT, go to sell, one cancels the other order. Now, I will set my stop loss to around 3,960 levels. So let me just do that quickly. 3,960. Do it for this side as well. 3,960. And my target price. I am going to set my target price right around 6,000 rupees. Around 6,000 levels. So in this way, I have a very good risk reward ratio as well. So let me just do that. And obviously you can choose how many ever quantities you want. Let me just execute the order. And as you can see, the moment the stock price reaches any of these levels, it will place the order and it will execute the trade either at these points as well, stop loss or the target price. So please keep in mind, this isn't financial advice. Please do your own research and analysis. And if you did like the video, please follow for more such tips like this. Thank you.